Hi, it's Alan Richardson again with episode number 66 of 1,000 Evidences for the LDS Church. During the time of the most critical food shortages among the first Latter-day Saints who had so recently crossed the plains, huge swarms of crickets descended upon the fields of the Salt Lake Valley and began systematically devouring their future food supplies. It appeared that the plague of crickets was about to destroy these precious few crops that were about to be harvested. The settlers tried every means for destroying the pests, but to no avail. The pests invaded the crops by the millions. The saints tried to bury them. They plowed ditches around the fields, filled them with water, and drove the crickets into the water where they were drowned by the thousands. Still, they continued to come. The saints tried fire, but the crickets still continued. Failure to destroy them would mean famine. This supposedly insignificant foe became unbearable through sheer numbers. The saints were baffled. All they could do was continue to pray. And so at that point, after 3 weeks of invasion, when all seemed lost, hordes of seagulls miraculously appeared and destroyed the crickets by eating them, disgorging and eating more. More and more of them came until the heavens were darkened with seagulls and the crops were saved. And the saints gave thanks to God, who had once again provided for their temporal salvation. This event has come to be known as the miracle of the seagulls and is commemorated by the world's only monument to birds. The monument is located on Temple Square in Salt Lake City, Utah. Here are the sources. This does it for this episode. We'll have more miracles in the next. Remember, call, don't fall.